Wow, you're a real dumbass. I hope you know that. Haha, dumbass. Look at that shit.
Wow, you a real dumbass, bitch. Huh, you dumb as fuck.
Oh man, you're dumb as shit.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cry of Fear. And I'm very depressed because my dumbass somehow fucking corrupted some of the recording of the last episode, or what should have been episode 3, but now this is episode 3, which really sucks. Yeah, I'm sorry about that again, and so there's kind of a large jump. Let me try to fill in what some of the shit that's happened. Okay, so basically, I went up and down some stairs. I finally figured out the code, and it was on some cassette tape, some video tape that some guy, like, it was a videotape of a dude killing another dude, and then writing numbers on his stomach, and then I encountered some pregnant women. Yeah, pregnant women who came after me. Oh yeah, now I'm at this creepy part, and it's kind of like shit that I really don't want to deal with. It's called the Sick Apartments. Yeah. Fuck. Is it a cutscene? Yeah, it's a cutscene. Okay. What? Oh shit. Wow, that's actually not so okay. Wait. Oh. I wonder what the fuck. Is there something in particular I'm looking for? I'm very confused. Maybe the saw? Or is there something on his... Oh. Oh shit! Oh, he just oofs you in one shot. Okay, alright. Okay, boys, here's the plan. First things first, we don't need that shit. Second things first, I bet you we can dual wield this with that. Oh, okay, and then oh, and then we can reload with this. Okay, that's a pretty neat setup. Alright, I can't get touched at all once. It's pretty gay. Oh. I mean, like, I don't know what year this game was.
Wow,
came
you're
out,
a real dumbass. I hope
like,
you know that.
it looks actually pretty good. I mean, it doesn't look good, but it looks pretty good. Ooh. Can't aim. Die, faggot. Oh crap. Dude, this man's fast. Alright. Oh shit, okay. Alright, we almost got him. Wait, does he get faster? Fuck yeah, eat shit. Why? I'm so confused. Oh, okay, so he basically fainted because he... Okay, makes sense. Kind of. Don't tell me I have to do another one of that camera shit. I don't want to do no more of that camera shit. Oh, I hated that so much. Yo, there's...
Wait, why are you wearing a gas mask?
Okay, so I think I have to, like, earn the trust of him? Who is the doc? Oh, there's chapters, okay. Welcome to chapter 2, baby! Whew! Alright, so I basically blew through all my ammo with that. Kinda dumb. Alright, full health. Reloaded. And then I'll just, for now, dual wield the pistol and the camera. Oh, oh, what the fuck? Why? Can I go? Okay, alright, okay. Okay. I don't need to go back up again. Like hell you don't. Alright, okay. Don't just... Ass! Eat shit, eat shit, eat shit, eat shit. Hey, this isn't half bad. So I guess there's a little bit more like... I think there's a little bit more like story to it now. Like, there's the outside world and real people, unless that. You know what? I don't like these guys. These guys aren't very... I don't like these guys at all. These guys aren't my favorable type of people. I just need some ammo. That would be excellent. Wait, what? What did I click on? Oh, the door. That room was pretty small. Oh, we're back outside now. A police car. And a nightstick, huh? It's kinda nice. Oh, shit! Oh, these fuckers want blood. These fuckers want blood. Is this what it's like to beat minorities in the city? Oh, shit. Oh, that's no good. Oh, wow. Why can't I pick up the hammers? I feel like the hammers would do more than the nightstick. I bet you that's the way down, but... Huh. Wait. Don't delay, call that number now. That's kind of interesting. Wait, what did it say? How do I forgot what it said. How do I... Options? What do I do? Okay, combined. I'm so confused. What does it want me to do? Whatever, who cares? How do I access the phone number? I missed it. Options, toggle weapon function. Oh, that might be it. Z. Oh, I have to remember the number. That's kind of neat. It's kind of... Is there a backspace? Alright, 543241. 543 214. 543214. 543214. 543214.
Hello? Hello? Who is this? What the fuck are you talking about? I need help, please! Damn it! Help me!
5427, 5427, 5427, 5427. That was it, right? 5427. Five two four seven. Wait. 5247. I'm gay. Alright. Ding dong, who is it? Going to get raped by multiple people? Probably. Actually, I think I'm gonna quit 3. Oh. Alright. Eat. Eat shit. Eat shit. Oh, I'm gonna need a fucking... I need a flashlight for this, boys. Oh, this music eats ass. That's no door. Oh, that's no good. Where's that sound coming from? I don't like this. Fuck you. Oh, ass. Actual. Oh, I have to climb down? Oh, that's gay. Bitch. Fuck you. I swear to God, if it's another one of them, I hate this. Or not. Oh, alright. Okay. Okay, we're going deeper into this shit. Oh my lord, have mercy. It's kind of... I get... Oh! Oh! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Police brutality, police brutality, police brutality. I'll let Christ be my savior in this. Does its tongue come out? Yoshi ass bitch. Yoshi ass bitch, get your ass handed. Ooh, ooh, that's no bueno. That is a no bueno, dude. Hopefully you like prison food and penis. Another set of... Oh! Oh, that's no bueno. That is no bueno. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you and your bitch ass looking sewer ass. Head ass. God damn it. I don't want that. I want this. I want this. I want... Don't do heroin. Heroin's a no bueno. We're going to duel with that. Is there anything even over here? Probably not, because it'd be covered by the water. Oh, shit! You little ass. You little punk ass. Head ass. Yoshi ass. Yoshi ass, bitch ass. God damn. What is this? Alright, that's the way I need to go. Oh, you little Yoshi ass. Is this like what it's like to break down on like crack-infested neighborhoods? Ooh, bitch. You tried. Just get down. I'm telling you, we shouldn't hit these people, we should shoot them. Wow, this is neat. I am enjoying this. In the beginning, it was paranormal shit, which made it like more scary. But now it's not that scary because it's not so like, I don't know. Yo, I feel so much slower. It's because I'm out of energy, that's why. Let's just crouch for a little bit, recharge that energy, rest for a little bit. Hell yeah, boys. Is my shift down? I think my shift is stuck down. Oh, it's not stuck down anymore. That's a fact. Okay, that's where I came out from. I don't see much up here. I don't remember when it started snowing. It's kind of different. Or is this fog? Is there anything here? Okay, first of all, how would they get all this equipment out? Oh, well. Fuck you, that's how. When the lighting's kinda poor, so your hands appear black. Huh. Alright. Okay. There's that lion head shit again. Is this a coal mine? Oh, that's a no bueno. That's a no bueno. That's a no fucking bueno. That's a no bueno. That's a no bueno. Alright. Is there any... Holy shit, where'd you come from? Michael... what's his name? Michael Meyer looking ass. Head ass. Fucked hair ass. Alright, let's give this... Something's blocking the door. Ooh! 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 Oh, I knocked his ass out. He dead. Don't tell me I get a lighter. Please tell me I get a lighter. That'd be pretty awesome. Welcome to the team! Wait. Alright, Jeff, welcome to the team. I'm pretty sure your supervisor has already gone over the basics. Here's a few things you'll want to know. The cave is what? Oh. Remember the code to Station D. You're going to be going back and forth all day, and you're going to need to memorize it. The code is 279. The last number is covered up with ink. Can't read it. So I guess I need to find that final number, figure out that final number, and then go back to the doctor's. And that's the keypad, okay, that's what I'm looking for. Door is locked. Did I go in? Yeah, I went in here. Needed that. Definitely needed that. Okay. There's gotta be... Now, why is the fluid... Yeah, okay. So now I'm looking for a match or something. Was there no, like, saving? Door's locked. Maybe I should boogie out of here and try to find a knife somewhere else. Or maybe I just didn't check around here enough. Or not. Oh, I can't even... That's a fucking McGangbang. I guess I'm here to get ass raped by Ronald McDonald looking pieces of shit for the rest of me days. Okay. I gotta figure out something. Come on, be smart, James. Is there anything in there? Oh, shit. I don't want this to go over 30 minutes. It takes too long to render. Oh, shit, hold up. Phone code. No. 543214. 543214. Shit. Okay, that didn't work. Why can't I just shoot the door open? Dual wield with that. Okay, I gotta find the way out of here. Yo, there's shit written all over this. I think there's a PR problem here. I think there's an HR problem here. Human rights problem here. The door's locked. The door's locked. No, look, the door's fucking locked. I gotta... Wait. Oh, no, this door was already open. What am I saying? I'm high. I'm really high. I mean, I'm not high, because I'm a young boy who respects the law. But... yeah, whatever. You get the point. I wonder if there's something I can open or something. If I could light that on... Oh, that's the key, maybe? Or a piece of paper, maybe? Damn, I wish I could set that on fire. Wait a minute. Wait just a fucking second. The spark should light on fire. Continuity error. Okay, alright. We're boned. We're fucking boned. We're boned. We're hella boned. I wonder, do sparks come out when I... No sparks. Alright, I need a lighter. Alright, guess we're looking for a lighter. Or a box of matches. Something. There's not a whole lot of places to search in this place. Wait a minute, there's only like 279. There's only 2791. 2792. That's it. Alright. That was easy. Yeah, it just took some guessing. You fuck. You actual degenerate. Oh, which way am I facing? Okay, alright, we're completely fucked. Yep, we are officially fucked, y'all. Okay, equip. No, wait, that's not what I wanted. Dual wield, there we go. Oh, I hate you, you piece of actual human garbage. I hope you know that's what this game is. Cancer, that's what this game is. Oh, you fucking... Oh, you... Oh, dude, Michael Myers looking ass. Alright, we need to find a place to... Can I grab that? Holy shit, I can! Alright, we're dropping the nightstick. No, we're dropping the knife. Picking up the lighter. Man, wouldn't it be nice if you had, like... Wait, was there some ammo there? No, there's no ammo. Wow, that is just... excellent. I wonder, can I dual wield? Oh, that's the... I bet you this just oofs an enemy. It just... that moment when you realize you still think saying oof is funny. Oof. No, I bet this just... Oh, that idea scared the living shit out of me. Please just let me be safe. Alright, I'm gonna run over and save this. Too long. too long, too much time. Oh! Oh! Oh my lord, have mercy on my soul. Where'd all you fuckers come from? Alright, we're gonna go save this. Please don't be infested. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. Come back for another episode. Maybe I'll be funnier, maybe I won't. Who knows? Man, I feel like shit.